Hey guys, this is Jamin. Thanks for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm working on a Thinkpad L560 laptop. I'm going to show you how to get inside it and access your heatsink and your fan. So before I do anything, guys, shut your computer down, make sure it's powered off correctly, unplug your charger. We're going to flip it over to gain access to the inside. Another good thing to do, guys, before working on any computer to limit the power running through it is to remove your battery first. Luckily, we have an easily removable external battery here. There's a clip here on the left, a clip here on the right. Put some pressure on those with your finger and slide them apart from each other. That will release your battery. After doing that, we're going to access this easy access panel here on the right. You're going to remove these screws in the center, and that will reveal this part of your computer. Another side note, guys, before I work on a computer, I have it sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to limit the power and limit the chances of damaging anything as you're touching things inside. If you need any help with any tools or supplies, check out the link above. I'll also have it below in the description of my Amazon store, and it'll offer some suggestions on tools and equipment. So this is your fan and your heatsink assembly that comes from the vent down around over your CPU. As a side note, guys, this CPU is integrated into the motherboard, so without some special equipment and skills, you're not going to be able to easily remove and replace that. So to get your heatsink up, you would undo these 4 screws, holding this down. Your fan, guys, is plugged into the motherboard here, and it's a simple plug. What you want to do to unplug it is use your fingernails or a small plastic pry tool to jimmy it out of its plug. You don't want to pull on those wires. They're very breakable. And if you just pull on wires, you could rip them out of the plug. But after doing that, guys, you'll be able to remove this heatsink and this fan assembly. You'll be able to blow it out or vacuum it to clean it. If you're in here to reapply thermal paste, another note, make sure you clean off the old thermal paste first before reapplying new thermal paste. If you don't, it could even make it worse than the situation you're seeing right now. Okay, so that's our video. I hope it was helpful and it allowed you to do what you were trying to do. If you have any questions, guys, check out the FAQs below in the description. I do try to keep those updated. If you need to leave me a comment or question, please do. I do try to get to those as often as possible. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And now I'll leave you with a quick word from my affiliate partner, a great place to get games, Humble Bundle. At Humble, guys, you can get the latest games at great prices. They also have great ways to save when you're buying. You can bundle your games together in a purchase instead of buying them one at a time. You can also join Humble Choice, which is a monthly subscription service that gets you free games every month. And you can also feel good about your purchases because Humble has donated a ton of money to charity. And every time you pay your Humble Choice membership, every time you use my link, charity gets more. So it's a great website, guys, great place to get games. Check it out with the link above. I'll also have the link below in my description.